Hi guys, namaste. Welcome to my channel. This reading is for Taurus, Moon sign, Sun sign, Ascendant. Though this reading is timeless, but if you're watching it before December 2021 and in December 2021, it will fit you the most. So, my lovely Taurus, when I was trying to channel messages for you and I was shuffling your cards, I was the happiest. I recorded six zodiac readings today, and yours was the most positive. So congratulations on that. I'm yet to record another 6 readings for another 6 zodiac signs, but you guys had the most positive reading for the first 6 zodiac signs. So congratulations. Looks like you will have an amazing December 2021. Okay. Also, when I was shuffling your cards and saying a prayer, I kept seeing 8 of Wands with my closed eyes. So 8 of Wands is a lot to do. It is actually a lot of communication travel. I always see 8 of Wands as travel and a communication card. So it could be possible some important communication and important travel plans are coming up for you in December 2021. And I don't know, I kept hearing flight. So maybe you have important flights to to take and reach your destination, and I hope you enjoy that travel part. Okay guys, you might receive a call of help in December 2021. It could be the most awaiting call of your life. When I say call, I mean the phone call. So I think you should look forward to that phone call. It could be regarding your work or your personal life, but I have a feeling you will get a phone call in December 2021. Guys, I see joy, abundance, good times. Really childlike energy. Do you see children playing around in the garden and appreciating what they have in their life? I see that childlike energy in December 2021. A lot of celebration, sun baths, and fulfillment. Also, some of you could go for horse riding lessons. I don't know why I sort of got that message, but I feel like maybe you enjoy horse riding, but you might also take lessons in December 2021. Few of you might get a job in administration department of some company. So, you can be appointed as an admin head or an admin officer, or government jobs, or that job is going to bring you fulfillment and will give you an authority. So I think you should look forward to, if in case you are looking for employment, December 2021 can be important for you. You can also make a good amount of money as a real estate agent. So anyone who is watching this video, in case you are into real estate, you act as an agent or a broker or something, you might make a lot of money in December 2021. But don't let that money get into your head. Okay, don't take that for granted. Take that as a blessing. Also, when it comes to finances, most of you guys will invest in buying home, land, or property. And basically, if you were looking forward for a good time to invest in property, buying land or buying home, or moving from one home to another, December 2021 is a good time. And don't sit there waiting for the right time. guys. I feel like this is a good time to do that. Also, in case you're sitting up with your savings, please, I have a suggestion. Kindly make some investments. I'm getting that message that you should invest your money in good options, in good good way of investments. You can seek expert advice on that, but I have a feeling that you should not sit with your savings. You should invest it somewhere. You will have better returns. Your wishes are definitely getting fulfilled, guys. You might get invited to a lunch or a dinner or a cool buffet. So, well, I'm a foodie, so I'm liking this message that I'm getting. So in case you have a lunch party, dinner party, or a buffet to attend, please let me know in the comment section. I would be happy that at least someone is going out and eating good food. Some of you might visit a vineyard. I don't know why I got this, or maybe you're planning to visit a vineyard and spend few days in vineyard. Though don't drink much. If you're into alcohol, please, there is an advice that don't drink much. You can have a bad health issue or stomach or liver issue in December 2021, because of your drinking thing. Also, I'm getting a message that you need to maintain a balance in your life, especially your lifestyle, eating and drinking in particular. Guys, Taurus, my lovely Taurus, I am also getting a message that a cycle of rebirth will begin in December 2021 for you. And it is very prominent and a very profound message that I got for you when I was shuffling your cards, that you will definitely have a rebirth in December 2021 as a person, as a at spiritual level, at personal, at mental level. You will have that rebirth, so look forward to that. I see hope for you, and also those people who want to have children. I have a feeling that you shouldn't give up. There is hope. You might meet an expert in December 2021 regarding your pregnancy or regarding your birth of a child, or you would come to know that you're pregnant, or maybe you will plan a baby. So yeah, I see children and energy surrounding children, or someone in your family will have a child or will plan a child in December 2021. Guys, I have one last advice for my lovely Taurus. The advice is, an obstacle will occur, but it will be removed if you seek expert advice. Okay, listen to it again. An obstacle will occur, but it will be removed if you seek expert advice. So guys, if there is something you are hustling in your career or in your personal life or in your spiritual journey or anything, just seek expert advice. Trust me, all your obstacles will be removed. Okay, this is it, Taurus, from my side. Though I recommend you guys to watch all your signs, that is ascendant, sun, moon, so that you can get a better and accurate reading possible from my side. See you guys again. Thank you so much.